How you doing, guys? So I came across a problem and I'm going to see if I can help you solve it. As you can see here on the screen, I have a movie that I have in my Dropbox. I was trying to listen to it in the headphones at a gig I was DJing at, and I couldn't hear it. The volume was just too low in my computer, and I turned it all the way up in my computer, but that's as far as it would go, and it just was not loud enough. What did I need? I wanted to increase the volume, but there was no way to do it. Now I'm a DJ, I'm at a gig, you got the music blaring, I couldn't hear it, I put my hands over the headphones to try to hear more and I couldn't hear anything. I go, there's got to be a way, there's got to be a solution. This is a problem I had, hopefully you guys got a similar problem and this will help solve it. What I did was, went to this link, which I'm going to leave in the description. Now here it says remove because I already added it to my extensions. So once you click on the link, right here is going to say add extension. You're going to click on add extension and you're going to add it. Now I tried searching volume control by itself and I couldn't find it. Others came out. But this is the link just in case it doesn't come out for you. Now I've already added it. Later if you want to remove it, just click on here and it'll remove. Now, how did I boost up the volume? I went back to this one. Clicked on this little puzzle piece icon. Clicked on volume control. And I boosted the volume. I boosted the volume all the way up here, and I'm gonna play it. And normally it's right about there. That's just how low it is. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's the quality of the movie, and I have no idea. That's just how low it is. It's just not loud enough. So I went here, boosted the volume, and if you can hear that, there's no way that by itself that is loud at all without this control. Hopefully this helps, and hopefully you can boost up the volume on any website using Google Chrome and using volume control.